y'all doing? This is a song called Since We Last Spoke. What you have to fear, 'cause I'm so unprepared for my last breath, and I'm too young to bear the burden of death. How can I cope when I never find the time to get closure over you? My lack of candor shakes me to the core, an example of being compassionate. Can you overcome the odds when you're smiling to save us? Can you really miss your shot when you let down everyone you love? You are everything to love, and everyone knows. I am everything to hate, and everyone knows. Why then am I always so damn weak with everyone? Why then can I never fully speak to anyone unless I'm asked? Can you overcome the odds when you start to slip up? Can you really pass your shot when you let down everyone you love? Can you overcome the odds when you start to slip up? Can you really pass your shot when you let down everyone you love? Will I ever see the day when my troubles are unfounded? I guess I will see if you ever come back. We both know that you'll never come back. Give it up to June from Fernwood on the tambourine, huh? Yo, it's we're fucking stoked to be here playing with good friends of ours, Fernwood and Winley. And new friends in Equal Creatures and Blank State. And actually, funny enough, Blank State and us do not have the best track record of trying to do a show together. They've asked us a couple times and it's just never worked out. And then the one time that it was confirmed was about this time last year or so, and it was in Colombia and it got fucking rained out. So, so we're very fortunate that we're getting to play a show with Blank State. You should stick around for Equal Features with Blank State after us. This is a new one. It's called Cunt Without the N. Cut from the Horror House. Happy 4th of July, everybody. On this anti-4th of July show. A lot of people would look at the flyer for this show, and there were definitely an Instagram comment about like, why anti-4th of July? And I can kind of agree with them. Like, on one hand, why anti-4th of July? But the reason is very simple, is that America has done a lot of fucked up shit to its people and abroad, which is not something that I can support. And the response to that will be, well, why don't you fucking go somewhere else? And I think that that's a pussy-ass response. Because the reason why I stay here is because I love my country, and I want to stay here to make it better. And I believe that we can be better. We have a lot of shit to work on, but we have a lot of progress that has been made, and a lot of progress that can be made in the future. And that's why I choose to stay here instead of moving somewhere else. Anyway, this is a new song about some bitch. Bright eyes and light blonde curls are at the center of my whole world. Couple ribbons spread through your hair, make my mind silent. As you hold me, the young constant, and to let me feel this moment inside my head. And I've been so grateful for you and my life. So I've been This next one is close my eyes, talking to me in my sleep. I'll never know her name until I die. I'm reaching out to another broken heart. I know that she is. Will you never see her? Will you never see her? I know that. Will you never see her? Will you never see her? Long nights.
Oh no, you started.
Skin so delicately offered. Find a better way to release some of my intrusive thoughts. I've tried so hard, but it only ever pulls me down. I'm stranded in my head most days. Maybe I'll feel better if I relapse into my old ways. Shutting down, cutting off, making an enemy of myself. I'd rather be locked inside all my life than stay in that hell. I know that's right. proper. I will never create again. Nothing good will ever come from these friends. I'm scared that I'll never amount to anything. There's good in everything, but I'm nothing once again. You'll find my body at the bottom of a river, but I'm too scared to ever let it come to end. Thank you guys. I want to introduce my best friends in the fucking world right now. Over here on guitar, we got Miss Robin Gagnon. Back there on drums, we got Mr. Jesse Tortorella. Over here on guitar as well, we got Mitch Stondagnon. Over here on bass guitar, we got Mr. Brando Shealy. Over here on we got Mr. Carson Dagnon. I'm Auburn. We're never any ordinary. This song is called New Skin. I want you guys to go fucking crazy with it, alright? Say real quick that every band's got merch, and it seems to be sort of like a trunk or treat situation where we got it all by our cars. Like literally, you go out here, you turn to the right, you can't miss it. Merch tables, including us. If you like what we do and you want to support us, the best way is to buy our merch. I mean, all that money goes right back into us making more merch for the people to buy. So, and it goes into costs like, you know, gas, like getting here. Every dollar that goes into the band goes right back into the band. So, if you want to support us in any way and you like what we do, it'd be very fucking cool if you did that.
I got this shirt from Winley's booth.
True. Anyway, this is our last song. Stick around for Equal Creatures and Blank State.